Assalamualaikum. So today you're going to learn about quantifiers. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now kindly refer to your textbook page 55. So today we're going to do exercise 4. But before that, you need to know number 1, what is countable and uncountable nouns. Number 2, several rules on how to use quantifiers. Jadi hari ni sebelum kita buat exercise 4, saya akan ajar kamu tentang countable dan uncountable nouns dan juga beberapa peraturan untuk menggunakan quantifiers dengan betul. Countable noun refers to the item that you can count. Bermaksud boleh dikira. For example, sandwich. You can count sandwich. 1 sandwich, 2 sandwiches, 3 sandwiches, and then burgers, pancakes, cookies, all of them can be counted. Semuanya boleh dikira. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are the things that cannot be counted. Maksudnya tak boleh dikira. For example, milk and water. Susu dan air kita tak boleh kira. And then sugar. Gula pasir ada banyak sangat, jadi kita tak boleh nak kira satu-satu. So it become uncountable. And then meat, fruit, bread, all of these cannot be counted. Kesemua ini adalah contoh yang tidak boleh dikira. Now, let's learn how to use quantifiers correctly. The quantifiers that we're going to learn are many, much, any, some, and a lot of. Rule number 1, we use much with uncountable nouns. Uncountable tidak boleh dikira. Jadi kita akan gunakan much bersama dengan uncountable nouns. Rule number 2, we use many with countable nouns. Kita akan gunakan many bersama dengan countable nouns, iaitu benda yang boleh dikira. Rule number 3, we often use any, much and many in questions and negative sentences. Kita akan kerap menggunakan any, much and many dalam bentuk soalan dan juga ayat-ayat negatif. For example, any. In questions, have you got any cheese? In negative sentence, there isn't any cheese. Bermaksud, cheese itu tiada, jadi ia adalah ayat negatif. Many. In questions, how many cupcakes have we got? In negative sentence, we haven't got many cupcakes. So, kat sini, dia nak cakap dia ada tapi tak banyak cupcake tu. Jadi, ayat tu adalah ayat negatif. Much. In questions, how much honey have we got? In negative sentence, we haven't got much honey. Bermaksud, kuantiti madunya ada tetapi sudah tidak berapa banyak. Jadi, ia adalah ayat negatif. Rule number 4, we use some, any, and a lot of with countable and uncountable nouns. To simplify everything, you can refer to this table. We use many for countable nouns, we use much for uncountable nouns, any, a lot of, and some can be used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Next, let's look on how the quantifiers are normally used in sentences. For many, much, and any, they are usually used in negative sentences and questions. Kebiasaannya, many, much, and any kita guna dalam bentuk soalan ataupun ayat-ayat negatif, seperti contoh yang telah ditunjukkan sebelum ini. For some and a lot of, we usually use them in affirmative sentences. Some dan a lot of biasa kita guna dalam ayat positif. For example, we have got some carrots, there are a lots of onions. Dalam kedua-dua ayat ini, kita tahu bahawa kita ada carrots dan kita ada banyak onions. Jadi kat situ menunjukkan ayat yang positif. Textbooks page 55. Exercise 4. Complete questions 1 to 5 with much and many, then choose the correct words in the answers. Before you start, let me show you one example. For the questions, you need to choose either the answer is much or many. Let's look at question 1. Meat is uncountable. So the answer is how much? How much meat do vegetarians eat? For the answers, you need to choose from the words listed given. From the word don't, we know that it is a negative sentence. Don't bermaksud tak, dia tak makan. Jadi ayat negatif. So the answer is any. They don't eat any meat. To help you to complete this task, you can refer to the quantifiers table, and I also have highlighted all the nouns in the exercise. Now you may begin. Now, let's check your answers. Answer for number 2. Vitamins are countable. So the answer is how many? How many vitamins are there in white rice? There aren't. Aren't refer to negative sentence. So the answer is many. There aren't many vitamins in white rice. Number 3. Fat is uncountable. So the answer is how much fat is there in chocolate? There is refers to positive sentence. So the answer is there's a lot of fat in chocolate. Number 4. Fruit is uncountable. So the answer is how much fruit is there in fizzy drinks? There isn't refers to negative sentence. So the answer is there isn't usually much fruit in fizzy drinks. Number 5. People refers to countable. So the answer is how many people can't eat nuts? There are refers to positive sentence. So the answer is there are some people who can't eat nuts. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.